So just like the title says, I will show you how to completely uninstall the EA app or Electronic Art Launcher app from your Windows machine. First thing, we just go through the normal uninstallation process. This can be done by going to where the app is installed for you, by just going to Open File Location on the shortcut. Then here, after we find the path, which can also be accessed by going to your C drive, Program Files, Electronic Arts folder, EA Desktop again, then scrolling down until we find this file called EA Uninstall. If you have EA already open, it won't let you uninstall this way, so close it first. Once you press cancel, it should close for you. If not, just right click on it here, then exit the app. After that, you can just go through this and click on uninstall. Another way to launch this, if you can't do it this way, is to go to your control panel, which you can find in your start menu by just searching up control. Open control panel and install here, then search for EA app, right click on it and uninstall. The same window as before should show up. Click on uninstall here, wait for it until it's done, and click on close. But here we're still not done. We need to clean and remove many leftover files. So go to this PC, C drive. Now we need to show hidden folders and items. To do this, just go to the view here and make sure this option is checked. Show hidden items. Program data here should show up. Open it, then look for this folder, EA Desktop. Then delete it. Now from here, we go back to our C drive. Then here we open Program Files. If you find these three folders called EA Games, EA, and Electronic Arts, just delete all three. After you're done, go and close this folder. Then go to your Start menu. In your Start menu, type Run. Open this, Run. Then here, type App Data. Then OK. This should show up. Local, Local Low, and Roaming. Open Local and find EA Desktop and Electronic Arts folder. Delete both of them. We go back one folder from here, then we open this folder called Roaming. Here we need to find the following, EA folder, and we'll delete it as well. And that should be it. Hope this little guide helped you out, and peace out.